Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through something really simple but very useful. How to unpin a chat from the top on the WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. If you've ever pinned a conversation to keep it handy but now want to tidy up your chat list, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. You'll see your chats listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Pinned chats are always displayed at the top of this list, above your regular conversations, so they're super easy to spot. Next, scroll through your chat list until you find the one that you previously pinned and now want to unpin. Take a moment to double-check, since the pinned chats are usually highlighted to remain visible no matter how many new messages you receive. Once you've located the chat, simply move your cursor over it. Now, this is the important part. Right-click directly on that chat. A small menu of options will appear on your screen. From this menu, you'll see the choice labeled Unpin. Go ahead and click on Unpin. As soon as you do this, WhatsApp will automatically move that conversation back into the normal list, sorted by the time of the most recent message. You'll notice that it's no longer stuck at the top, and other pinned conversations remain unaffected. That's all it takes. Just a few quick steps, and your chat list is back to the way you want it. This update has made the process smoother and keeps things simple, so you can always reorganize your chats depending on your needs. So now you know how to unpin a chat from the top on WhatsApp for PC. Just open WhatsApp, find the chat, right-click, and choose Unpin. It's that easy, and it takes only a few seconds. If you found this helpful, make sure to apply it anytime you want to keep your chat list neat and organized. Thanks for watching.